Hi Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we have got another Valentine's project.
Yeah.
So I have got not 5, not 10, not 15, but 20
Hangy things.
keyringy hangy things. So if you'd have seen, get you out first. If you'd have seen the video,
For Christmas.
the haul, I was going to say.
No? Oh, old, yep.
You'd have seen that I've got some Valentine's, for use of a better word, tinsel, you know. And these are going to attach onto it. So you've got the, like we did with the ugly jumpers at Christmas on the wreath bit.
Yep.
But yeah, you've got your tray and your wax and your naff pen, and I always use
Yep.
And then you've got the very parkley.
Yep.
And as I said, there are 20 of these. I'm not going to show you every single one. I do love that one. That's probably going to be my favourite, to be honest. But there's... Okay, you want it to be seen, you're seen, okay? But yeah, there's all different ones in here.
Yeah. And
they're just a bit of fun.
Yeah.
So...
They one-sided or two-sided?
They are one-sided. Yeah. But the perspex will probably be on both sides, because it generally is. So
plastic, yeah.
So, you know what I'm going to say, guys? Really. Right, guys, so as you've seen, there aren't 20.
Nope.
So what we decided to do, I actually made 11, but we're only showing 10 because I will save those for when I've got time to do them, and they'll be shown
next year,
basically. Namely because I've just been obsessed with reading, so you know, it's my fault entirely, but there you go. Right, so what I will do is hand these to Darren so he can show you the twinkles.
That's a very pretty one, quite highly Quinn-esque.
Oh yeah, I think that was our favourite.
It's got one dot on its own.
Okay.
Oh, that's quite a pretty one with the love in it. Yes, someone else lived a little bit.
Some of them do. You have to sort of just push them back, guys, if that happens.
That one looks like it should should say something or should be an image of something, but as far as we can work out, it isn't. And there's the last one.
Mm-hmm. So, I mean, the fact that you guys know I got these from Temu, there are plenty of variety, and believe me, the other 10 are quite different as well.
Yeah.
But there was twofold decision on this. As I was doing them, we were sort of looking at the heart
hangy bit over there, yeah,
sleeve, which we will show you all of this on there in a minute. But it's sort of, I'm not entirely convinced. One, how well they'll hang.
Well, if you get 20 of them on there.
And if, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't get 20.
No, sure, yeah.
However, I have got a plan in place. I've got something coming that will enable me to put in 2 places. So, you know, but that won't be for the Valentine's one, guys.
No.
Hopefully Easter. Cross fingers.
Yeah.
Right. So, let's have a look and see what it looks like on that tinsel, eh?
Yeah. It's very pretty.
It is very pretty. We're guessing because we don't.
Yeah, no, you can see they're still in the same. I will. There you go. It's time travel. Yeah, it's right.
But yes. So, my lovelies, all that leaves us to say is, apart from which one's your. Oh no, we haven't done favourites.
Favourites. My favourite was that one.
My favourite is that one.
Oh, I like the love one as well.
And I like the love one.
Yeah.
I'm also rather partial to that one.
Yeah.
And that one actually, but yeah, I think favourites are out the window. My least favourite is this one, only because
it looks like it should say something or be something, and it isn't. It's just that.
It's just really confusing.
Yeah.
But yeah, right, guys. So, as I was saying before, be different. A very merry hoo-hoo. And Darren's going to have to go in for a boop with Little Miss Harley Quinn heart, I think.
And it's